In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Death Blow in the strongest battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Death Blow can be used as the Brutal Demon. You will have to awaken, so you need to fill out the pumped up bar. So Death Blow is going to be a move available on your pumped up form. As you can see, it takes a while to fill out this bar. So you will need to attack other opponents or dummies over and over again until you fill out that bar in its entirety. You can use M1s, combos, or just do your moves here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 to fill out that bar. Once the pumped up bar is properly filled out, you will be able to press the corresponding button on PC or mobile to awaken. So on PC it is going to be G. You will see an animation play out, and now if you look at your moveset, one of the moves that you will have in the pumped up form is going to be Death Blow. So the way that Death Blow works is that you will be able to press it, and after a couple of seconds you will perform this jump, land on the ground, and you will do damage to everyone around that spot where you landed. However, you can also instant kill other people using Death Blow. Much like Saitama has the death counter, Death Blow has the same feature. So when you put up that stance on the first few seconds, if someone attacks you while you have your baseball bat laying down and you are waiting for them to attack, you will basically start countering, an animation will play out, you will teleport behind them, and essentially with glowing eyes you will instant kill them. So all that you have to do is press Death Blow and wait for somebody to attack you. The best way to do this is to play aggressively and try to bait an attack from your opponent. As soon as you use Death Blow and they follow it up with any attack, it is going to connect and the animation will play out. They will be locked in and they won't be able to escape. Of course, there are various ways to go about using it. Some people like to play defensively, but what I recommend is that you try to bait an attack from your opponent. So go towards them, make sure that you are aggressively attacking, and they are going to lose control and eventually get an attack out. If you are able to use the counter or the Death Blow as soon as they start attacking, you will be able to catch them in the instant kill. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Death Blow in the strongest battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.